Whenever we discuss essential minerals for your body, we typically discuss calcium and phosphorus. But magnesium is another mineral that requires attention. It is necessary for a number of vital body processes, including stronger bones and muscles, as well as for better mental health, focus, and memory. However, we typically do not consume enough of it. In today's video, we will go over many incredible healthful foods that are high in magnesium, ranging from dark chocolate, avocado to bananas and fish. We will cover all of this and more. Avocados. There's a reason why this breakfast has become so well liked. That avocados are incredibly nutritious and high in beneficial fatty acids. A medium avocado contains 58 mg of magnesium, which is equivalent to 15% of your body's daily requirement. Avocados are also a wonderful source of fiber. They are high in potassium and vitamin K. Research shows eating avocado regular lessens the likelihood of inflammation and improve your cholesterol levels. Nuts. Nuts are an excellent source of magnesium, providing a natural and healthy way to boost your magnesium intake. Almonds, for example, are particularly high in magnesium, which just a handful offering a significant portion of your daily needs. Other nuts like cashews, Brazil nuts, and walnuts also contain good amount of magnesium. The mineral play a vital role in muscle function, nerves health, and energy production. So, incorporating magnesium-rich nuts into your diet can help maintain overall health. Not only do they offer magnesium, but they also packed with healthy fats, protein, and fiber, make them a nutritious snack for your daily routine. Legumes. Legumes such as black beans, lentils, chickpeas, and kidney beans are excellent source of magnesium. These plant-based foods are rich in essential nutrients, including magnesium, which is important for muscle function, nerve health, and bone strength. A single serving of legume can provide a significant portion of your daily magnesium needs, making them a great option for supporting overall health. Additionally, legumes are rich in fiber and protein, which adds to their nutritional value, helping to regulate blood sugar levels and improve digestion. Including legumes in your diet can be an easy and affordable way to boost your magnesium intake. Seeds. Seeds like chia, pumpkin, and flax are a rich source of magnesium. For example, eating 28 grams of pumpkin seeds provide about 150 mg of magnesium, which is 37 of your daily magnesium needs. These seeds are also packed with iron, omega-3 fatty acids, and fiber, which is a healthy form of carbs. Additionally, they are full of antioxidants that protect cells from free radical damage caused by stress, aging, and sun exposure. Studies show that flaxseed can help lower cholesterol and may even fight breast cancer. A great way to enjoy these seeds is by making a healthy trail mix with roasted flax seeds, pumpkin seeds, and smoked pecans. You and your favorite nuts, adding a pinch of black salt for flavor. This makes a convenient, nutritious snack to take on to the go. Bananas. Bananas are not just great for smoothies, they are also packed with health benefits. A large banana provides about 40 mg of magnesium and is rich in potassium, which help lower blood pressure and reduce the risk of heart disease. They also contain vitamin C, vitamin B6, and fiber. Unripe banana have a special type of starch that resists to digestion, which is great for gut health as it feeds beneficial bacteria in the digestive system. This resistant starch also help lower blood sugar levels and reduce inflammation. Leafy greens. Leafy greens like kale and spinach are packed with nutrients, especially magnesium. Just 1 cup of cooked spinach provides around 157 mg of magnesium, which is about 40% of your daily requirement. In addition to magnesium, these greens are rich in iron and vitamins, making them great for your overall health. Regularly eating leafy greens can help reduce the risk of cancer and protect yourself from damage. Do you eat any of these magnesium-rich foods regularly? Let us know in the comments below. If you like this video, then hit that like button and subscribe.